Hello everyone, this is Pinaki Dasgupta from Institute of Digital and Content Marketing IDCL, and here we bring you another session of Digital Micro Moments. And today we will discuss on Google Bid strategy. So, before we start, we need to understand why Google Ad is important for a business. So here we have prepared a few stats that will help you to understand why it is important to introduce Google Ads for your business and advancements. So now, what exactly is a bid strategy? So bid strategy is like telling Google how much you want to spend for a certain user activity. Like it can be a click, it can be a conversion, and it can be an impression also. So, but why this bid strategy comes into this picture? So basically Google Ads works on auction model. So we are all aware about auctions and how auction works. Say if you want to buy a flower vase from an auction store, so you have to place the highest bid to get that flower vase. But in Google, things are a bit different. Here, along with this bid, you have to consider the quality of your ads and ad extensions. So what is this quality of your ads? Quality of your ad means how relevant is your ad, like how efficiently it can help to solve a certain user's query. And the ad extensions are like these are some kind of additional information that you can add in your advertisement, like business phone numbers, business address, then your business USPs, or like site links. All these things are additional information that can help you to make the ad more better. Now there are two broad categories of bidding strategy. So one is automatic bidding strategy and another is manual bidding strategy. So under this automatic bidding strategy, there are 7 strategies. The first one is target CPA, or we can say target cost per acquisition. So this bidding strategy, like it is like getting the most conversion possible at a target cost per acquisition or a specific cost. Then it is target ROAS. What is the full form of ROAS? It is return on ad spend. So this target ROAS, like get the most return on ad spend with this bidding strategy. Like say you have spent 200 rupees for a certain ad and you got 500 rupees in return. Now you have to calculate what is the percentage of return you have received from this campaign. Then it is maximize clicks. So it is an automatic bidding strategy and one of the simplest bidding strategy that actually gives you as much as clicks possible on a certain budget. The same for maximize conversions. It is also getting the maximum number of conversions possible on a given budget. Now maximize conversion value. So Google Ads automatically sets your bid to help you get the most conversion value within your budget. Then target impression share. So target impression share automatically sets your bid to increase your ads chances appearing in the search page area. So it is ideal for getting more brand awareness. Then maximum cost per view. It is one of the default bidding strategy for YouTube TrueView ads. So it is basically targets on maximizing the view of your video ads. Now one view means 30-second view of a video, or if the video size is less than 30 seconds, then whichever is the maximum. So this is the maximum cost per view. Then another is target cost per mile. So cost per mile here represents thousands. So this bidding strategy tells you getting the 1,000 impressions on a specific cost. So this is also very helpful for brand awareness. Now the last one is manual CPC. Now what is manual CPC? In this bidding strategy, you can set your own bid manually for each of your keywords. Now a lot of people have queries like what is the best bidding strategy? So there is no such thing called best bidding strategy or bad bidding strategy. We can say, like, the question should be how to determine the best bidding strategy based on your business goal. So here we have represented few of the scenarios, like if you want customers to take direct action on your site, then you have to focus on conversion related bidding strategies, like maximize conversions or maximize conversion values like this. So direct action means submitting a lead form or purchasing something from your website. So all these things are conversion focused bidding strategies. Now the another part is if you want to generate traffic to your website, then you have to focus on clicks, like maximize clicks or manual CPC. So all these things are will help you to get maximum traffic on your website or on your landing page. Now another thing is if you want to increase your brand awareness, then you have to focus on impressions, like there is target CPM, cost per mile. Then if you want to run video ads, then you have to bid like cost per view or cost per mile. So all these things are important based on different scenarios and your business goals. So there is no such best bidding strategy, but you have to determine which is the best bidding strategy for your business goal. Thanks for today's session. Thank you.